Good evening. It's 6 p.m. and I am Panmi bringing you bright side news of the day. India records a highest single day spike of 66,999 cases. India's COVID-19 tally mounted to 23,96,637 on today. Highest 1,981 fresh cases were reported from Odisha. To a series of new terms like COVIDiots, lockdown, buffer, and containment zones that COVID-19 pandemic contributed to the world's vocabulary, airgasm is the latest entry. The word is related to the use of face masks, which have been mandated in the current COVID-19 pandemic to beat further spread of the lethal infection. The Meteorological Center Bhubaneswar has forecast heavy rainfall for several districts of Odisha for the next 4 days. PM Modi launched a platform to honor the honest taxpayers of the country. The unveiling took place at 11 a.m. today via video conferencing. The Transparent Taxation Honoring the Honest platform will initiate major tax reforms aimed at bringing transparency in income tax systems and empowering taxpayers, according to the government. The Supreme Court on Thursday allowed registration of BS4 vehicles which were sold in March but couldn't complete the process due to the COVID-19 induced lockdown period. Drug firm Zydus Cadila on Thursday said it has launched Remdesivir under the brand name Remdac, used to treat patients suffering from severe symptoms of COVID-19 in the Indian market. A few days back, pathologist Mohammad Khalid received an unusual call from the Marwari Sahayak Samiti, a ranger person for cremating the bodies of Hindu COVID victims in the Jharkhand capital. Khalid has already cremated 11 bodies and helped in the burial of another body, all COVID victims in Hazaribagh, after their family even refused to touch them. The Indian tricolour will be hoisted for the first time ever at the iconic Canadian landmark of Niagara Falls to mark Independence Day this year. The Haryana government has offered 3 land parcels to Maruti, the country's largest car manufacturer, as an alternative to its Gurugram plant from where the company has decided to shift out. Art rather than ostentation is the rationale behind the world's most expensive coronavirus mask, says the Israeli jewelers who are crafting the $1.5 million object for an unnamed US-based client. Made out of 18-karat gold and studded with 3,600 black and white diamonds, the mask will be lifted with an N99 filter to offer a high level of protection. Thank you for watching, and please visit our website www.karuakispeaks.com for more updates, and please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.